Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever poured hours into crafting that perfect design in Figma, you probably know the tiny bit of anxiety that comes with making sure your work is saved and safe. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to save your Figma design file as a local copy, so you can have a backup or just keep a version on your own computer. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and what happens behind the scenes when you choose to save your work locally. First, make sure you have your Figma project open on your screen. Now, Figma is a cloud-based platform by default, which means your work is constantly being saved online. But sometimes you'll want that extra peace of mind, or maybe you need to pass your file along to someone or store it for use offline. That's when saving a local copy comes into play. Let's start at the very beginning. Look at the top left corner of your Figma window and you'll see the Figma icon. It's that dotty multicolored circle. This icon is like your home base for all the core tools and actions inside Figma. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a menu will drop down with a bunch of options. Don't rush here, take a quick breath and notice that there are a lot of handy features tucked into this menu. What we want to do now is carefully hover over or scroll down to the File option. This is Figma's way of organizing anything to do with your project's storage, exports, or versions. Click on File. A little submenu pops open, giving you several ways to interact with your design file. Now you're looking for the option that says Save Local Copy. This is the magic button. When you select this, Figma will instantly prepare your design file and download it onto your computer. You might not even notice the file saving right away if you have a fast internet connection, but you can look at your Downloads folder or whatever default folder your browser uses. The file you'll see there will have a Fig extension. That's Figma's native file type, which you can re-import or share. Saving a local copy might seem like a small action, but it's so important, especially if you ever want to transfer your work to a different Figma workspace, archive a milestone for a project. Share a design with a colleague who doesn't have access to your team's cloud files. Or even if you just want a little extra backup just in case. Think of it like photocopying your most important documents before a big meeting. It never hurts to have that extra layer of safety. And if the menu or options look a little different on your screen, don't worry. Figma does update its interface occasionally, but the main idea remains the same. Start from that Figma icon in the top left, work your way to the File menu and look for Save Local Copy. If you can't find it, sometimes it helps to search the Figma Help menu at the bottom of the main dropdown for Save, and it'll point you in the right direction. Alright, that's all there is to it. Once you've downloaded your file, you can move it, rename it, or upload it anywhere else you want. I hope this tutorial helped you lock down your Figma files and feel more confident about your designs being safe. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions about Figma or other design tips you'd like to see, just drop a comment below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.